Hello YouTube. In this video I'm going to teach you guys how to get unlimited cash on GTA. So what I'm going to do, you need to follow my steps. If you follow my steps, it's going to work. So first, you first sign in into your account. You need to play GTA, and second, you're going to get you need to get this on a flash drive. So I'm going to move to system, then move to storage. So this is my flash drive. You move to hard drive to games and apps. So we are going to select this one, GTA. So what you are going to do here is you are going to move the save game, the first save game to the flash drive. So we are going to do the next on the computer. So we are switching to the computer. So now we have switched into our computer. So what we are going to do here is we are going to open this one, Horizon. So you unplug the USB flash drive from the Xbox and plug it into your computer. Waiting. So this you're going to move to games over here, but first you need to download Horizon. The link will be in the description. You download Horizon, so you move to games over here. So this is the game save. Select the game save. Just follow my steps. So this is it. What the fuck? Okay, yeah, this is it. So you maxed this, you can max the money over here, max ammo, all attachments. You can increase everything. So max skills, everything you can do it. After that, then you go to save. So you see saved, you click OK. So we are going to remove the flash drive and plug it into your Xbox. So we are going to move to our Xbox now, guys. So I am back to the Xbox. So now you are going to plug in your USB flash drive into the Xbox. So this is my USB. You move to games and apps. See, follow my step. Then you're going to move this game save to hard drive. So let's check what is there. Okay, this is it. So the second thing you're going to do again is you move to console settings, you move to clock. Follow my steps. You move to clock time. Make sure that you set this here to 2015, exactly 2015. So I've already done it 2015. So you're going to play our game. So GTA 5. I'm going to pause it for it to load. So now let's check our money. So guys, you can see the money. You can see it's unlimited. You can buy anything you want. See guys, So if it work for you, so please subscribe to my channel and like my video. Bye.